Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G. Are you looking for a smartphone that promises a flagship-level display, a massive battery, and a powerful new processor, all without breaking the bank? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G. This phone arrives in a segment teeming with competition, but with its bold claims of a HyperGlow Esports Display and the segment's first MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, it's making a strong bid for the attention of gamers and power users alike. So, let's find out if this device truly lives up to the hype. Display. The Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G boasts a stunning 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display. Unlike many of its competitors, this isn't just a basic AMOLED panel. It offers a high 120Hz refresh rate for incredibly smooth scrolling and fluid animations, whether you are gaming or just navigating the UI. The resolution is a sharp 1080x2392 pixels, FHD+, providing a great viewing experience for watching videos and browsing. But the most standout feature is its claimed peak brightness of 4500 nits. This is an extremely high number, typically reserved for flagship phones, and it ensures that the screen remains perfectly legible even under direct, harsh sunlight. For gaming, the screen's responsiveness is enhanced by a high instant touch sampling rate, giving you a competitive edge. It's a true flagship-level display experience in the mid-range. Design. In terms of design, the Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G strikes an excellent balance between style and durability. It's available in eye-catching colors, including the Speed Silver variant, and features a sleek, slim profile despite packing a huge battery. At just 7.55mm thick and weighing around 179 grams, it's remarkably lightweight and comfortable to hold. A major highlight of its build is the IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. This is a rare feature in this price bracket and provides an extra layer of durability and peace of mind, allowing the phone to survive high-pressure water jets and immersion. Processor. Under the hood, the NARZO 80 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, marking its debut in the segment. Built on a power-efficient 4nm process, this octa-core processor features a configuration of 4 Cortex-A78 cores clocked at up to 2.6 GHz for performance and 4 Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz for efficiency. This architecture, combined with an ARM Mali G615MC2 GPU, is designed to deliver a high-performance gaming experience with exceptional power efficiency. The phone's AnTuTu score of over 7.5 lat points reinforces its capability to handle demanding games and intensive multitasking without breaking a sweat. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage, lag-free performance is a guarantee. Camera. While the display and processor grab the headlines, the camera system is also a strong contender in this segment. The Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G features a versatile dual-camera setup on the rear. It is headlined by a 50MP primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture, which is the popular Sony IMX882 sensor. This camera supports optical image stabilization, OIS, a crucial feature for capturing sharp, blur-free photos and stable videos, especially in low light. The secondary lens is a 2MP depth sensor, primarily used to enhance portrait shots by creating a natural bokeh effect. On the front, you'll find a 16MP selfie camera, capable of taking clear and vibrant photos for social media. The main camera can also record video at up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Operating system. Out of the box, the Realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G runs on the latest Android 15, layered with Realme's custom user interface, Realme UI 6.0. This combination offers a clean and smooth user experience with minimal bloatware. The interface is optimized for performance, providing a range of customization options and smart features to enhance daily use. The inclusion of Android 15 at launch ensures users get the latest security features and software advancements. Connectivity. The phone is well-equipped in the connectivity department. As the name suggests, it supports 5G networks, ensuring you are future-proofed for the fastest mobile data speeds. It also includes Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11a BGN AC for dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with wireless accessories. It features a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and while it lacks NFC, it supports all essential satellite navigation systems. Price in India. The realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G is competitively priced for the Indian market. The variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is available at a launch price of around 17,498 rupees. This is a significant discount from its MRP of 23,999 rupees, making it a very compelling option for anyone looking for a powerful and feature-rich phone in the sub-20K category. Closing statement. So, what's the final verdict on the realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G? It's a phone that aggressively targets the mid-range segment with features that punch well above its weight class. Its biggest strengths are undoubtedly the stunning AMOLED display with a high refresh rate and extreme brightness, the powerful and efficient MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, and the incredible IP69 water and dust resistance. The massive 6000 mAh battery with 80W charging is the cherry on top, making it a true endurance champion. While the camera setup is good, it could have benefited from a dedicated ultra-wide lens to make it a more complete package. However, for a user who prioritizes a fantastic display, raw performance, and long battery life for gaming and everyday use, the realme NARZO 80 Pro 5G is an excellent choice and a strong contender for the best value for money smartphone in its segment.